Howdy folks. Today I got another little trick for making a couple of your own tools. Maybe save you a little bit of money in the process. If I can get the thing to focus here. Right there. Yeah, Dovetail punches here. I got one aluminum. Got one made out of brass. Now what these are used for is you can use them on sights, and you can use them on rifles like this. Get you in closer. That have the tube magazine. If you see that there, you get the dovetail here. Now, this is a good example because before I got a hold of this was all dinged up, and you can still see it a little bit. I couldn't polish it out before I blued it because they were so deep. And I didn't want to take too much material off of this ring. So it's still all messed up. But what these punches are for is when you're trying to remove these, can't get a very good angle on it here, but as you can see, it's roughly the same width. This one's actually a little wide, but this one would be better. The punch for the dovetail is flat on one side, and down in here there's going to be a flat bottom with it's a dovetail cut all the way through the barrel. So that flat base on the punch sits right on that, and you only hit right here on the base of this ring, so you're not dinging it up all the way out here using a regular round punch. You know, it'll end up hitting here before it actually catches out here. It's better than using a hammer. I mean, you hit out here with a hammer, you're never gonna hit back in here. You hit out here, you're gonna end up bending this, you're gonna end up messing the dovetail on your barrel up. So you're better off either just going out and buying one of these, or you can make one yourself. What I did with these is this one, I believe it's a piece of 3/8 inch aluminum rod. Not the hardest material in the world. It'll probably end up getting all beat up. I knurled the surface of it here, just on the lathe, and I stuck it in the mill, and I just machined exactly half of it off. Now you can make these any size you need if you have access to a lathe, or you buy a different size bar. You can even do all this by hand. You just buy the aluminum rod, and you could even file all this material out. Get a nice coarse file. Won't take it too awful long, but it's better than just using a regular punch on your gun and messing it all up. Yeah, you can just make this by hand real quick. This one, this was punch out of a set I got not too long ago. Normally don't use this size anyway. out of any of the sets of punches I have. So I just sacrificed this one and then stuck it in the mill, and this one also machined half of it off, and like I said, it just fits right in the dovetail there, and you can drive it right out. Now this can also be used, what I mainly use it for is sights, and same situation. You're not trying to hit the sight with a normal punch and messing it all up, and you don't risk missing with a hammer or slipping off with a normal punch and breaking your front sight off or bending your sight over, whatever. But yeah, that's all I have for that. Pretty simple tool you can just make up really quick. You don't have to go out and buy. Thanks for watching.